If you're new to my channel, my name is Tiana, and if you're returning, it is so nice to see you again. So for this Wednesday's video, instead of it being clothing or activewear, we're actually going to be talking about some new makeup. I originally wanted to post this on Sunday, but I ended up posting a giveaway. So if you guys are interested in checking that out, it'll be in the description down below. We are going to be talking about some new makeup from Mary Kay. One thing that I do want to mention is that Mary Kay did send me this box. My videos are always honest, my opinions are always honest, and I feel like this line was just for me. It was just really good line for me, and none of these products are going anywhere anytime soon, except for on my face and except for my makeup collection, because of how much I really liked them and I really enjoyed them. Now I'll be honest with you, some of the products I did not test out or try out yet, so let's get into this review, first impressions, and just show you the new products that Mary Kay came out with. So this here is the new waterproof liquid eyeliner pen in intense black, and it's $20. One thing that I've noticed about Mary Kay's like mascaras and eyeliners is I find the prices like mid drugstore, but also like high-end, and you're getting very good quality. I have not used this yet. The reason why is because I have 6 eyeliners that I need to go through, and I know that probably doesn't sound like a lot, but if you're someone like me who just doesn't always wear eyeliners or doesn't always wear makeup all the time, that is quite a bit. So I am really looking forward to pulling this out in the summer and to try it. If you have like a felt tip eyeliner, the best way to store them, I know this because I used to have an e.l.f. pen, is by having them upside down. This way the product doesn't stay over here, it'll stay at the top for the tip. So in case you were wondering maybe why yours dried out, if you don't really like pens because they maybe dry out or the formula is not the best, always store it like downward. When I see these, I immediately put them on because of how excited I was. Mary Kay came out with liquid eyeshadows, and in all honesty, I was always a little bit intimidated by liquid eyeshadows because I didn't know how powerful they would be like pigment wise. I didn't want a ton of glitter, I didn't know about the formula, and because I was like more of a beginner, I just didn't know how they would be. So I was very excited when I seen that they came out with them. For $16, there are so many looks that you could get with this, so I feel like it's a really good product also if you want to get into liquid eyeshadows, because you're getting a good amount, it's for a very good price, and they look amazing. They're not heavy on your eyelids, they're very pigmented, but they're not too much, which is what I like. So what I did when I first started to use them was I actually took a brush and just used a brush on my eyelids because I wasn't sure how to use them, and I just wanted to make sure that I would be comfortable with the product. Once I finally got really comfortable with the product, I said I'm going to use the applicator it comes with, and it is so easy to get a nice pigmented, even look with the applicator. So easy. At first I wasn't sure, but now it's just a go-to. You could pack yourself like one palette, and then you could pack yourself one liquid eyeshadow and travel with it, and you're like set to go for glitter, inner corner highlight, just to really brighten up your look. You're good to go. So I do really enjoy these. So there are 4 of them, and they come in the color Light Beam, which I have used and I have loved. I actually used Meteor Shower for my giveaway video. That was actually what I was using on my eyelids there. There's also Purple Nova. I have not used this yet, but I plan to. And my absolute favorite that I have been loving and using, and I've used a lot so far, is actually the Pink Starlight. So I think these colors are great. I know there's a color for everybody. Out of like everything that I got, I would highly recommend checking these out. So Mary Kay came out with more lipstick. I've been wearing the lipsticks for so many videos and so many posts because I love them. So these here are the gel semi-matte lipsticks. They're $21. So again, it's kind of in that middle of drugstore to high-end, and I just love the amount of time that you actually get to use the product for. They're good quality. I've had no issues with any of the products, so just so you know, I find the price is worth it there. Now for these lipsticks, because they are a gel semi-matte, they're very comfortable on the lips. I have extremely dry skin, like extremely dry skin. it's crazy, especially because it's winter. So I have not been really gravitating towards any lip products except for tinted lip balms, just because of how my lips have been. And then I got these and I thought I'm gonna give them a shot. I mean, if they don't work, they don't work. If it doesn't look good, it doesn't look good. These are amazing on my dry lips. So I actually do go in with one of the Mary Kay sugar scrubs. I will scrub my lips a little bit. I will then apply a lipstick. So the one I'm wearing today is called Blush Velvet. This is going to definitely be my go-to color. I absolutely love it. These are so buttery soft. They are creamy. They actually last a long time. Like, yes, they will transfer, but if you do watch what you're doing, I find they stay a long time. They don't dry down, they don't crack. I love this formula a lot. I love the shades that they came in. I think they are perfect. Again, I know I already said the liquid eyeshadows, but I think the two things that you would want to check out are the liquid eyeshadows and these lipsticks for sure. The first one is Red Stiletto. It's a very, very nice red color. The next one is Very Famous, which I'm very excited to use. Trademark Pink Rose Commercial. I just can't wait to use it. And of course, the one I have on my lips today is the Blush Velvet. So Mary Kay always comes out with these stunning palettes. The last one I had was a rose one, which I love. The mirrors are great. They're a great size for traveling. I love how you're actually able to take out the product. So you're able to put like eyeshadows in here or a blush or whatever you want. So the case itself empty is $21. I think that's fairly reasonable. The reason why is because the mirror is great. It's a nice sturdy case. It's solid, but it's not too heavy, and I do bring this along with me to travel many times and places. The amount of use that I got out of the one with the flowers on it is insane. So very excited to see that they came out with this one. Again, it is a limited edition. This is their Spring 2020 Beauty Unearthed Mary Kay Perfecting Palette. It's so pretty. It's so different. When I was doing my product declutter, I was talking about how I wanted to get a different bronzer, but I actually have new bronzer now, which I'm very excited about because, like, of course, I love my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, but it's always nice to have something different. So these here are the limited edition Spring 2020 Beauty Unearthed Illuminating Bronzer. So it's $22. You have Copper Glow or Gilded Glow, and Copper Glow is stunning, but it's just a little dark for me, but I could totally see myself wearing it in the summer. So the shade that I have been reaching for the most is Gilded Glow because of how much I absolutely love it, and it just warms up my skin tone a lot. The other part about this is because it is illuminating, it just brightens your skin up so much. This will just really brighten up your skin without having to use highlighter. If you're looking for like a quick makeup look, you could totally use this as like a bronzer, and it'll give your face that glow you need. If you love illuminating products, this is perfect. I love it a lot. This has honestly been my go-to. I have not been reaching for my butter bronzer because of how much I've been using this a lot. I could totally see myself bringing this with me for my next vacation and packing a couple of eyeshadows on this side and just bringing this palette because of how much I absolutely love it. So if you're someone who is looking for a good illuminating bronzer or something just to help brighten up the face, this is a really nice way to do it. Next up is the Mary Kay Time Wise Microdermabrasion Plus Set. It's $60. And it's in new packaging, but it's the same formula. So this is supposed to help polish your skin, make your skin look younger. It's supposed to make your pores smaller, which is what we all want and what we all need. I mean, that's what I'm looking for in skincare all the time. It is fragrance free, it's oil free, which is good. It's not gonna clog your pores. So I haven't actually used this yet. The reason why is because I still have my little samples from when I did the advent calendar. So they're still new in here. I will be using them. I'll probably include them in a skincare routine. What I do want to mention is with the pore minimizer, I have been using it on no makeup days and I love it. The only thing that I do find is, I know it's not fragrance, but it is more of a stronger scent. But when I use my pore minimizer on no makeup days, I notice a big difference. I love the look of my skin. It's great. I really do enjoy it. I will probably be doing a skincare routine and you will probably be seeing these in there because of how much I do really like the pore minimizer. I haven't used the Microdermabrasion Refine only because I had a lot of skincare to go through and work through, and I'm trying to not open up too many products this year, so I'm really excited to be trying this one out. So the next one's going to be another bundle, which I'm so excited about because I love bundles. This is $59. So this is a limited edition bundle. It's the Love Lashes bundle. If you remember a couple videos ago, I was talking about the Love Lashes mascara and I absolutely loved it. I think it was a great mascara for the price of it, and it did remind me of, again, that middle range of drugstore and high end. It lasted me 3 months. It was very, very nice, just natural look to your lashes. It gave them some length. It was just a great mascara. So for the bundle, you get the Lash Love waterproof mascara, which is going to be perfect for the summer. I can't wait to use it. I actually opened this right away when I got it, and I normally don't open more than one mascara at a time, so that just says something that I opened up a second one. I tried it out for many times and I loved it. I actually had a waterproof mascara that I bought that will be in an empties video because I didn't like it at all. This one was so nice on your lashes. It reminded me of the same exact formula. It just was nice lengthening. It was very, very nice and natural looking. It wouldn't clump. It was just nice and dark, and it wasn't heavy to wear, which was nice, but it is waterproof. I did go in the gym and shower with it and it stayed on my lashes. It was great. It does not dry out your eyes. It's not irritating. It's not itchy. I love this formula. This is definitely going to be a go-to mascara for me in the summer because of how much I like it and love it. You know what, I may even use this up before the summer because of how much I like it a lot. So very, very excited about this for the bundle. The next thing for the bundle is going to be their sunscreen. So I actually have 3 sunscreens that are open that I need to go through, and I actually have some from last year, so I have used this before. This is the SPF 50 sunscreen. It works very, very nicely. I don't really have like a white overcast. It goes into the skin nicely. I find it has a very, very nice scent to it. It works very, very well. Every time that I used it, I was never sunburned. I just really did like it a lot. It wasn't greasy, but if you're looking for a good sunscreen, this is definitely the way to go, especially because with bundle, you're already getting a nice size sunscreen and waterproof mascara. What else do you need? A towel. So they actually have a towel in this bundle, which is really cool because it's a microfiber towel, but I've had microfiber towels in the past and they didn't really work for me. But this one's a totally different feel to it. It's a very, very nice quality, and it has little mascaras on it and hearts, which is totally Mary Kay, which is so, so cute. You have the mascara, you have the sunscreen, and a towel for $59, which is really good. Not to mention this towel is huge. It would be perfect for the beach. It's perfect to bring with you if you need a mascara and sunscreen to travel. This is a really good bundle, or if you know someone who's going to be traveling or who really likes the beach, this would also be a very, very nice gift. So highly recommend this bundle because that's a really good price for it in my opinion, and they're all full size items. Like, that's really good. So in my notes that I got, I didn't actually see this, but I did receive it. But I will talk about this, and I will also link it in the description down below if you want any more information. This is the Mary Kay Eye Primer. If you watch my declutter video, you know that I got rid of my Urban Decay eyeshadow potion primer. I believe that's what it was. I bought that. It was so much money and I didn't like it. I just found it just didn't work for my eyes. I found it made them too oily. I didn't like the texture. It just didn't make my makeup look good, and I just didn't like it. Honestly, I didn't like how there was the applicator, and it just wasn't for me, so I got rid of it. But Mary Kay actually sent me an eye primer. This makes your eyeshadow look so pigmented. I used it a couple days and I noticed it was so pigmented. I didn't use it today because I just wanted to see the difference with and without it. And I mean, your eyeshadow is still gonna look good like without it, but if you're looking to make your eyeshadow last longer, so this one I have been really, really enjoying because it's a squeeze tube, so you're able to take out how much you want. You're able to use your finger to apply it, or if you want to put it on a brush, you can. It can leave a white cast if you don't let it sink into your skin. So what I did actually was I put some concealer on just to cover any veins or redness, just to make everything look even, and then I put this on and it just made my eyeshadow like look really good. It lasted so long. It's a great eye primer. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm very excited to continue playing with this makeup. Like I said, any other looks up to posting this video, I will put clips in. If you want to know other looks that I created using this makeup, you can go check my Instagram page because I do tag Mary Kay in the videos or the pictures that I am wearing their makeup in. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what product interests you the most out of this line, or if you've ever tried Mary Kay before, because I'm very interested to know. Make sure to subscribe if you have not, and go follow me on my social media. I will be uploading an activewear video on Friday, so make sure to ring the bell to be notified when that comes up, and I will see you all in the next one.